10 legit online jobs that pay weekly in 2020. Since I started working from home, I've learned a lot of fantastic online jobs that pay weekly, even daily or multiple times a week. Even better, there are numerous online jobs that pay weekly or daily and could make you as much as $1,000 per week. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance writing. A lot of companies are regularly hiring freelance online writers, and work can range from blog posts, SEO articles, market researches, buying guides, product reviews and many others in between. Freelance sites, such as Freelancer, Guru, Upwork and Fiverr, are also great places to start when you're a beginner. 2. Virtual assistants. As virtual assistant, you're expected to do a variety of work, from admin tasks, designing, calendar management, email management, cold calling etc., so it helps if you have plenty of skills to offer. Virtual assistance is one of the top work-at-home jobs that pay well, often with a starting rate of $9 per hour. 3. Proofreading business. If you have an eagle eye for errors in spelling, grammar and punctuation, and you're looking for jobs that pay $1,000 weekly, then this job is for you. 4. ESL tutoring jobs online. If you have an upbeat personality and are a great conversationalist, you can work from home doing English tutoring jobs online or teaching English as a second language (ESL). Two of the most reliable platforms are Cambly and NiceTalk. Cambly deposits payment via PayPal every Monday, while you can withdraw your earnings when you've reached $20. Since NiceTalk pays $10 per hour, you need to target at least 2 hours of teaching session per week. 5. Transcription work at home. Transcription is another nifty way to earn an income from home. You just need to listen to an audio file, type what you hear real quick and proofread your work. You'll find numerous typing jobs that pay through PayPal in various platforms, including BabbelType, Rev, QuickTate and TranscribeMe. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. 6. Blogging. I make a full-time income from this small blog here and I am loving it. It's very flexible and I can work on my own time and from anywhere. You can earn $1,000 or more weekly even with a small blog. And the best thing about blogging is that it's so cheap to start. 7. Micro tasks. One of the best places to make money doing micro tasks is Fiverr, a platform that awards $5 for every task. Other places to look into are Clickworker and Amazon Turk. 8. Appointment setting. One of the most popular platforms that provide appointment setter jobs is Blue Zebra. It pays around $10 to $25 an hour plus bonuses and incentives. Working as an appointment setter at Blue Zebra is one of the best work-at-home jobs that pay good, and payment are deposited weekly to your bank account. 9. Virtual receptionist. Look into Kelly Connect, Infocision and Upcall as they're some of the top companies that provide legit work-at-home customer service opportunities. You can find lots of virtual receptionist opportunities on job boards like FlexJobs. 10. Mobile phone apps. Swagbucks is a rewards site or app that pays you for answering surveys, playing games or watching videos. Ibotta is a grocery rebates app that pay you for shopping at their partner stores. To date, it has paid its users over $500 million. Inbox Dollars is another rewards company that works like Swagbucks, offering you a few options to earn points, from playing games, watching videos or completing surveys. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!